Hello guys, today I'm gonna share with you on or how did I grow this ginger plant. This is not a real tutorial, this is more like a vlog. So this is a ginger that I have um, sown about more less than a month ago, in the last Sunday of June. So it takes a really long time to see this ginger sprouting. And what I just did is, there's a lot of ants. What I just did is, I buried them in a small pot like this. I mean, I've firstly sown it in the first smaller pot, and then as it grows, it sprouted roots. I eventually changed my mind to plant it in this terracotta or clay pot. So this is doing well, no pests. There's just ants roaming around, but they're not technically um I'm not technically seeing aphids at the moment. But I don't think so if that's the number one pest of ginger, because I've never sown ginger or planted ginger before. So as you see, this is just a fork that I have disinfected or washed from a fast food restaurant. So it's from takeout. I definitely didn't go dine in. So this just came out a while ago. So it now sprouted this large leaf. So this is one half, I would say, the size of my hand palm. What is that? So as you see, it almost covered half of my palm. And yeah, and it sprouted last week maybe. So it's just maybe 1 inch when I saw it sprouting. So yeah, and I don't really see root much in the drainage layer, so the ginger is doing fine. I don't see roots coming out. So yeah, there's just an explosion that happened a while ago. That's why I shocked. And what I also do is I loosen the soil. Let me just get my shovel. I just make the soil loose. Okay, I just mix this up, the topsoil up, if it's really dry, because this is just a clay soil. I mean, obviously I have this thing, but it's almost all of it is almost used. So I'm just having this garden soil, small amount, and the rest of this is gonna be used by my dad. So yeah, and then I'll just also continually mixed. And I think I may mulch this, but ginger, I think, doesn't like their soil to be really moist because mold may grow. So yeah, and this is just from a wet market. We call it here palengke. Okay, so even at grocery stores you may grow this. However, there's also known as the pre-germination, I think that's what it's called, where you will soak the ginger in water. However, my grandma spotted that the ginger that I sown is growing. Before I sown it, it's really growing. So I just decided to come here and sow it. So yeah, that's just the ginger. And it is situated maybe a partial sun, I may say. So yeah, not a lot of sun. But if I was about to plant them in those stuff, or in that part, the stuff may collapse because ginger is pretty big and it will grow taller than this papaya plant, maybe 3 meters. Oh, sorry, 3 feet or 1 meter. So yeah, it will definitely grow a lot. So yeah, and it will also be an advantage to my aloe veras, So it will get partial sun. Okay, so these two tree plants, actually four, because there's two papayas in here, will absorb all the sun, while those plants, aloe veras, will not consume a lot of sunburn. So yeah, that's just it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave the like in this video, share this to your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is Casual signing out together with this ginger.